everybody around now, I follow his views and kinds. So all me for make that make me stop come here. I followers views and kind. All of them. The whole of them and that them a run down. So me for make them, or me for make them run me, I mean no, so me still have people in my farm of my finger who want to see me. If me miss for three them call me ask me what do me. How's somebody at work? Yeah, till I have to circle me and text my phone. Till I have to circle me. Me not get them what they want. But they have my blood become a 95 up, come out clad, share me 2 pipe iron. But now I none of a big old girl take me over TikTok. I saw me wrong, the people not going like you. Can't afford to put smile on them face when them come from a busy day. Some of them boring. Some of them boring. Road down for glad say I'm still have it. Yeah. Road down for glad say you want Swissley still have it. If you're glad say you want Swissley still have it, I will always have it. Cause 95% them pan TikTok them tear the whole of it down. Cause them want something we have. So don't come tell me to leave my work. Adapt me vex about me. You know where you talk about coming to business with you and Blamdem coming to live in Florida. Out of body lick your man. I'm a platform and turn her face underneath. Eh? Me I tell them cause them don't know. Oh, me slung on the piece of old couch. Oh, me slung on one charger. Yeah. Jakes fix your hole and your rotten throat back. World dog will have it. We have something one of them not have. So if you want them go through that you, me see them bring you down. Me see them try for bring, me see them bring you down. Try for bring down. You need try for bring you and you need little son. Cause them a try get to you and you never stop coming, so why me for come? Them class me, them class where me live, them class my pin, them class my mama, them class my father, and I'm still blood clad. Motherfucking here. What am I gonna do about that? For you in a media business, you don't know the blood clot algorithm will go. One thing you know, when them call up a name, stay relevant as fuck. Let them call my me, no care. Me ain't have nothing, sir. Me will never have nothing. So if you want to have up in your heart and want a bittersweet days with it, like your business. You ain't gotta go talk about that. Me ain't have nothing. You unfollow me. Me unfollow you, but make you go on your ways. Simple. Over here and knock for your name and a drag your name. And one thing me say, the crowd of people who used to follow who want to give the upper break them gone somewhere else, and it's just the truth. Me not busy all Swissley, me say joy up with me, you know. All Swiss when me not do nothing dry up with me. All Swiss when my brother me not do nothing at all, me say no dry up. We no dry up like when son catch Kelly and Pan Kiata sell down a market. It quail up, I me not do nothing. I'm leaving, I don't come here come argue, and I don't come here come fight, and I don't come here come cuss. I read between the live and I leave, you know. I leave, you know. I don't come here come ride in the back. I don't come here come hide, you know. When Blamdem talk about blood clot, you know, I don't even try to strengthen the argument. I never try to strengthen the argument. I don't try to say even what them and I say, oh, I don't want to cuss right there. I say Blamdem the boy, you know. Could come send it. Like chicken McMurray out there near. I win a double or 14. Come on for this and lift up. Big one. When me young like uno and shape like uno. I have good shape. Because sell out yarn down here and round this so. And I rock my baby turn the other way. Turn the other way. Rock my baby turn so. Move. They were up in our kitchen. Yeah, come move. She come to work, come here ready like she want to bug out my blood clot work. And she knows so me come is very me sad. Me look like somebody was sad. I beg me come for beg and see the crowd, yeah. What can I sad me could have got sad? I beg me come for beg and see the crowd there. Me sad. I beg me come here for beg and see the crowd there. Me sad. People tell him what I say. I beg Rosealee come for beg. For the one. I would have probably talk to my phone. No worry if them soon gone. Who can drop or drop? No worry about who gone and no worry about who stay. No worry about who gone and no worry about who stay. Me I send out a message and then we'll catch it. Royal Dawg, I don't hate you. And the argument is finished coming out 12 pounds. Moving forward, can I really Royal Dawg me come out? But true, never just make him know straight. So me not hate you. I have nothing against you, Switzerland, and nobody. I know the internet strategy. I don't hate you because you don't do me shit. But two put them alive and well and kicking and gamming and gunning. Chantal, I broke. I come about Tikki. Power tap. No. Royal Dawg not threat to me. Come here, Tikki. I see you wake up tomorrow. I see you wake up today. With two Tikki. Tikki the donkey braces on him foot. The boy will go through the border and never get no landing. Border rat. Border rat. Chantal, shut up when me play near me. Border rat. Because when I go off America, when I get no landing, that's why I want to show up and look at stinking colors. That dirty crusty fish there. Right? Me now come argue with you because I don't so one can't tell me for hurt me, but I want to never tell you, Tikki. I want to people them ear so them can't tell you. For sure some man ambition. You left Jamaica and reach in a long book of life. Sorry. You left. Oi! You left Jamaica. And when you left Jamaica, you reach in the big Apple City. And that opportunity. Wait no people, man. You know for Jamaica, you get your victory, you get your win, and you get your one. You are going to the border with no money. That means you go to the border with no money. The first person stuck in Mexico, you could have you're not a countless of people for book your flight on the internet. All destiny where you bury. Destiny where alive now where you bury and keep funeral for your turn back to help. When you stuck in Mexico, and Father God good and so great, Nurse Brown see one potential in you and help you. And all you long in America, you still have the anchor braces for your blood clot food. You now rest yourself. Think you need a life. Use a sad case. In no circumstances, me gonna leave Jamaica, reach now one another foreign country, and still gonna reminisce about a girl when me know not then away. Show me some, beat me with some improvement. Why you ask to make no sense? Eh? You think I could have used me for me so long and beg 10,000 US dollar for you? Miss all if you have my foot batter. I don't like you know.